Okay, so here's Mir. Mir, for the past couple of days, has been coughing, and coughing. Coughing at school, coughing in his sleep, coughing all day and all night long. So I had to take the time out to heal my baby. And guess what? There's no more coughing. He got some fresh air yesterday and that helped him. Took a little bit of a walk. We ate some fruit today. He got a relaxation day. No hustle, no bustle. And now my baby is not coughing. Yay! So tomorrow we go out and have a fun day. Say bye-bye, Coughzilla.